Okay, boys and girls, it's time for our science lesson today. I want you to get out your little science booklets, and we are going to be identifying sounds that birds make today. We are going to have 3 new vocabulary words: call, song, and drumming. Call, song, and drumming. In our last science lesson, we learned about birds' legs and feet. And today we are going to learn about sounds that birds make. Have any of you ever listened to the sounds or noises that birds make? And I know you all have, and you've been on little bird watches outside and you've been listening and observing them. What did they sound like? Each bird makes different sounds that are unique to that individual bird. By knowing the sounds a bird makes, an ornithologist can identify a bird without seeing it. So ornithologist, which is a scientist that studies birds, can know what type of bird it is with his eyes shut just by listening to the sounds that they make. Now let's find out about the sounds that birds make. Open your bird booklet to page 7. And what is the title at the top of page 7? Yes, how birds make sounds. Now I want you to follow along as I read paragraph 1. Almost all birds make sounds. 2 types of sounds birds make are calls and songs. Every type of bird has a special call or song that is different from other birds. We can identify a bird by its call or song. So tell me again, what are the 2 types of sounds that birds make? If you said call and song, you are correct. Let's find out about a call, okay? Follow along as I read paragraph 2 in your booklet. A call is a single sound such as a peep or a squawk. Birds call to each other to warn of danger or to attract a mate. Chicks call to their parents when they are hungry or frightened. All right, what is a call? What is a call? Yes, it is a single sound such as a peep or a squawk. Get your highlighter out. Highlight the first sentence in paragraph 2. It says, a call is a single sound such as a peep or a squawk. Draw one line through that with your highlighter. Why do birds call to one another? What did it say? Look back in paragraph 2. Why do birds call to one another? If you said to warn of danger or to attract a mate, you are correct. Those are 2 reasons they call. They call to attract a mate or to warn of oncoming danger. Now, why do little baby chicks call to their parents? Because they are hungry or scared, frightened. Very good. Let's find out about birds' songs. Follow along as I read paragraph 3. A bird's song is a series of notes that has a pattern. These patterns are different for each type of songbird, and they help us tell one songbird from another. 2 examples of songbirds are robins and orioles, and we have those right here. So what is a songbird? Look back in paragraph 3. A songbird, what is a bird's song? What is a bird's song? It's a series of notes that has a pattern, okay? So I want you to highlight the first sentence in paragraph 3. A bird's song is a series of notes that has a pattern. So a bird may go, woo, 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 woo. Do you see? It's a series of notes that has a pattern. Some birds make a different sound, and let's find out about that sound in paragraph 4. Some birds make a sound called drumming. Woodpeckers make drumming noises by using their bills. Remember what their bill is? their beak. A male ruffed grouse makes a drumming noise by beating his wings together. So drumming is the third sound. We've talked about call, we've talked about song, and we've talked about drumming. So remember, a call is a peep or a squawk. A song is a series of notes. And drumming can be the ruffling of feathers. And it also says that woodpeckers make a drumming with their bills. And I've heard that when I've been outside. So the third sound that birds make is a drumming noise. And what are two birds that make drumming noises? Woodpecker and a ruffed grouse. What does a woodpecker use to make its drumming noise? If you said his beak or his bill, you are correct. What does a male ruffed grouse use to make drumming noise? If you said wings, you are correct. Boys and girls, if you were here, I have a CD and we would play different birds' calls and songs and drumming noises. But we're going to skip on, and I want you to get your lesson review 71 out. Use what we've just learned about calls and songs and drumming, and I want you to fill in lesson 71 and then put that back in your folder because you will send that back to me. Good job.